Welcome back once again to my channel, guys. So if you have not been participating on the Data Ownership Protocol Testnet, please go ahead and start right away to participate. Their airdrop is actually going to be huge. I've told you severally, this project is backed by Binance Lab and other top projects. So it's all free of charge for you to participate in the testnet. You are not spending any time. You are not spending any money. And that is why you don't need to fade this particular opportunity. And this data ownership protocol, they are actually building an awesome project that have not actually existed in the crypto space before now. So what they're actually trying to do is that they want to make it possible for your crypto transactions to be private whenever you make any transaction. You and I know that every transaction in the crypto space is open to the public and anyone can check it right away. But these guys are building a project that will enable you to make a transaction and make it private, whereby the public will not have access to view such transaction. And if you come to their Twitter page, of course, you can see this is they're having their gold tick here. That is to show you it's not just an anyhow project. And right away, you can see they are having over 583 followers in this particular Twitter account here. So if I come over to their website here, and here you can actually see your data, your choice. The data ownership protocol is utilizing zero knowledge proof in order to allow feasible transparency on top of Ethereum layer 1. DOP allows users and dApps to store assets and make transactions privately or selectively disclose token holding and historical information. So just as I told you, they are trying to build a project whereby all your transactions will be private and not open to the public to view. You can actually view their white paper right away here. And then if you come down, you can see a lot of other tokens that are being supported. And you can just take your time, read about them, and get every damn information you actually need to get from this particular project here. And here, of course, you can also see that the testnet is live. And that is what I want to show you how you can participate. So to join the testnet, I'm going to be dropping the link to the testnet phase in the description of this video. So once you go to the description of this video, click on the first link there. So guys, it's actually going to bring you to this particular interface here. Of course, you can see, welcome to the DOP testnet. This free testnet only take a few minutes to complete, and finishing makes you eligible for reward plus referral bonuses. As part of the process, you will create a DOP wallet and connect it to your MetaMask. Make sure to save this wallet to be able to claim your reward after the official token launch. So guys, of course, the wallet you're going to be using to claim the token by the time they are going to be rewarding is the wallet address that we are going to create, which is the DOP wallet address. And I'm going to be showing you all those stuffs just in a moment. So the first thing you need to do here is to come and click on I have read and agreed to the terms and conditions. And you come to this place, input your email address. Once I have typed my email address, I'm going to click on let the test begin. Of course, you can see that it is now active. Once I click on let the test begin, and then here is where we need to create our wallet address. You can see Data Ownership Protocol Web Wallet. I am new here. Create wallet, or better see, already have a DOP wallet. You can now import it. But for you, because you are starting for the first time, you just have to go and click on create wallet here. Please make sure you save the key phrase or secret phrase. So if I come here and click on create wallet, of course, you can see I will have to choose a password, confirm the password, and then you click on submit. And once you click on submit, your wallet will be created, and then you go ahead and save your secret phrase. Very important, please. I'm emphasizing on it. Once you save your secret phrase, then you are good to go. Now log in to the platform where we need to carry out the testnet. And this is where we need to come and participate in the testnet here. And of course, you can see just simple task that we need to complete here. And the first one has to do with following them on their S account. So once you are here, the first thing you will need to do, of course, is to connect your wallet address. You can see mine is connected there. That is where you are seeing is connect. So once it's connected, then you just have to scroll down and come to the step 1 here. So once you're on step 1, just click on sign in with X so that you can connect your X account. So if I click on this sign in with X, and of course, I'll go ahead and authorize this sign in here. So once that is done, of course, you can see that I have actually signed in with X here and it's ticked good. So the next thing I need to do is to go ahead and follow DOP on X. That is Data Ownership Protocol here. So I will click on this and it's actually going to take me to Twitter. And of course, I'm already following them, but I also need to click on it so that it will verify and tick that I'm following them already. Of course, you can see I'm following them already. So once that is done, we'll go back again to that particular site, and then you can see this notification here, confirm you follow DOP or S, and I'm going to tick I have followed, and then I'll click on done right away. And here you can see that it has been ticked for me that I've completed this task. So the next thing I will need to do is to claim Simpola ETH. So claim ETH on the Simpola testnet to be eligible to claim testnet DOP token in the next step. So of course, for you to participate in the testnet, you need some Simpola ETH. So you go and claim it. So you have to go and click on claim right away. So once that is done, of course, you can see it has ticked that I have claimed it. But for you, if you have not claimed before, now if you don't have Simpola ETH on your wallet, which is connected to this particular project here, all you just need to do is to come to this particular website here, which is simpolafaucet.com. So once you come here, all you just need to do is copy your wallet address, paste it in this place. So once you paste it in this place, come and click on I'm not a robot. For instance, let me just go ahead and paste my wallet address here. So if I paste my wallet address and then I'll click on I'm not a robot here and I'll click on send me ETH. Once you do that, you're actually going to claim. Of course, you can see it has been sent to my wallet. So that is how you actually claim the Simpola ETH. So once you do that, you just have to come back here. And of course, you will now come and click on claim Simpola ETH, and it's going to record that you have claimed that. Then we'll go over to the third task, which has to do with claim testnet DOP. And here you can see get free DOP test token to try out DOP features. Add the contract to your wallet address. So I'm going to click on claim right away. Of course, on my MetaMask account, it's actually going to prompt me to confirm and approve this. So I will go ahead and click on confirm right away here. So guys, once that is done, it will redirect me back to the testnet phase here. So once I have added this, just click on claim again. And yeah, once we are back, of course, you can see that is now completed. So I'll go over to the next step, which is step 5, inscript asset. Now you will practice inscripting asset with DOP. Then you will be able to use the inscripted asset for confidential transaction. Note, you might get a spending cap request on MetaMask. We recommend selecting Max. So what do we do? Click on get started. And then of course you can see drop address here. This is the drop address. And then I will need to select the token I actually want to inscript. So for instance, I can go with DOP USDT here. And once that is selected, I can take the amount. Let me say I'm using, let's say 50. Let me just use 50. And I will go ahead and click on inscript. And then I'll click on confirm. an inscription in progress. So just have to be patient a bit. So of course, you can see the notification on my MetaMask here. So remember they said click on Max. So I'm going to click on Max. And once that is done, I will come down and then click on next right away. So if I click on next, I'll go ahead and approve this transaction. And again, my MetaMask is prompting me to confirm this transaction. All these stuff are just for security reasons. So I'll go ahead and click on confirm right away here. So once that is done, of course, you can see successfully encrypted $50 DOP USDT. Check transaction history for more information. So you can check the history in Explorer, or better say, just go ahead and close this, but it has just gone through. You can see success. You have successfully encrypted your task. I'll say, okay. And that will bring us back to the testnet phase here. You can see that the step 5 is now completed. So the next one is step 6 here, which has to do with sending of assets. Now you will practice sending your encrypted assets. After completing this step, you could check your wallet transaction on the Blockchain Explorer to see how the DOP protocol maintain privacy. So what do you do? Of course, you can see wallet is still here, your Cipolla address. So I'm going to click on get started. Once I click on get started here, and this is the account, DOP account, then I'm going to select the one I inscripted, which is $50. That is what I inscripted. So I'm going to select it, and the amount is 50. I'm sending the 50. Okay, there is the recommendation here. We recommend entering an amount lower than the max. So we have some token left for description in the next step. Okay, since that is for that, I'm going to be entering. So let's say I'm sending 20. So I'm then going to go ahead and click on send. So if I click on send, okay, sorry, we didn't enter the account here. So let me choose the account. And of course, that is done. So I can now go ahead and click on send. And this is the notification. I'll click on confirm. And I will also have to click on max. And then I'll click on next right away here. And then go ahead and approve the transaction. So guys, once we are done with that, the next thing is that we'll come and descript it. So I've selected this, then token again. I'm going to select this. So for the amount here, I'm going to be going with 7. I don't have much again. The first transaction actually went twice. And then I will come here and put the wallet password here. And then I will go ahead and click on this descript right away. And then I will click on confirm. And of course, I will approve this on my MetaMask account. Of course, you can see successfully descripted. You can view this on Explorer. I'll go ahead and close it. So I'm going to go ahead and close this. So once I complete this particular stage, of course, you can see you are almost there. You have completed all your tasks and you will be eligible to claim your reward once 3 of your friends will join with your unique link. Here is your link. So I can copy this link and share to all my friends and all my community members. So the same thing is applicable to you. You just have to copy your own link and then share with your friends and family members and colleagues to join you as well. So once you have been able to copy this, just click on done. So you can see that I've completed all the tasks here. The only one left is this invitation of 3 friends only. Just 3 friends, then this part will be completed. And then lastly, you can see this important note. You will be able to claim your reward only using the same wallet with which you have completed the testnet task. As a reminder, your wallet address is, of course, you can see it here. So guys, just go ahead and participate in this awesome testnet, which will cost you nothing, and then you will be good to go. Thank you once again for watching this video. See you in my next update. Bye for now.